Good morning everyone, today Samsung Galaxy A71 2020 version, coral blue. Let's unbox it. Before we unbox it, let me read you some specs. It has 6.7 Super AMOLED touchscreen, 393 ppi, Gorilla Glass free, Android 10, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 8mm, Adreno 618, 120 GB, 28 GB of storage, 6 GB RAM, micro SD, 64 megapixel camera with light 1.8, huge battery, 4525 watts charge. Let's cut the seal. Looks nice. What do we have here? Probably a manual, but it won't. Oh, foolish me. Okay, let's put it here. Inside, SIM card tool and manual in Polish, warranty card and region log guide in English. Okay, we just put this aside. Device. Ooh, look at the color, very nice. Okay, let's put it aside for a second. What else do we have? We have USB Type-C cable. There's a QR code there. Pause the video if you want to read this. What else? Headphones. Standard one. There's the serial number. QR code there. Pause the video if you want to scan it. Okay, standard headphones. And charger. This is the charger. USB Type-C charger, of course. Okay. Again, pause the video if you want to read this. 25 amps, USB Type-C, new charger from Samsung for 2020, and that's it. Nothing else. There is no plastic on the front of the screen. I don't see anything, nothing. It looks gorgeous. Look at the blue design, it is incredible. Let me show you this in close-up. Amazing. Amazing design, especially this color and those cameras. In here we have a microphone, SIM card tray, nothing on this side, one speaker, so mono speaker, USB Type-C, and headphone jack, and another microphone. Should be a power button and volume button, and of course cameras. Now the top lens is a depth lens with 5 megapixel 2.2 light. Middle camera right there is the 64 megapixel with light 1.8 light. In the middle, ultra wide 12 megapixel with 2.2 light, and on the right here we have a macro lens with 5 megapixel 2.4 light. Of course, there is an update available. When we do the update, then we test the camera all the way. Now look at this wallpaper, it is awesome. Whoa! Okay, no fingerprint sensor installed. Now let's install a fingerprint sensor. Look how smooth it is. How smooth it is working. Let's go here, let's go to the security. Where is security? Lock screen, right there. Swipe, no. Pin, password, face, fingerprint. We want to do the fingerprint. And let's do pattern. Z, like Zorro. Oh. Why not? Okay, where's the fingerprint sensor? Should be, oh, there it is, right there. Well, it's getting smooth, very smooth. I have to do the tip now, tip of my fingers, like that. Over the other side. Done! And it is done. Continue. Okay. Now let's turn it off. And it's very quick. Again. No match. No. Oh, why? Very quick. Okay. That is good. I like this wallpaper. It is brilliant. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see some audio. YouTube. Bam, just like that.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night.
Okay, that's plenty enough. Like you can hear, it's very clear and loud speaker. Unfortunately, it's a mono speaker, just one speaker. Stereo, 2 speakers would be better, but it is what it is. It's not a flagship model. Now let's see the camera. If you press this power button twice, camera will unlock. And what do we have here? Come on, my camera. Get in focus, please. Okay, we have a live focus, photo, video, and more. Night panorama, macro, pro, slow-mo, hyperlapse. Let's do macro first. Macro mode. Let's try it on this charger. Oh wow, really good. Of course, I will make a separate video for the camera. That's about it. How do we move from this? Okay, live focus, you know what it is. Photo, we have wide angle. Oh, very wide, my friend. 16:9, 1:1. That's normal. Full, very nice. Of course, we have a quick stabilization button. When you press this button, let me go to 16:9. When you press this hand shaking button, it will go straight to the full HD and it will make a optical and digital stabilization. Now we don't want that. What else do we have? Okay, there's emoji and stuff like that. We don't care about emojis. Come on, this is for the children. We don't do this in this channel. This is not a children video. Food hyperlapse slow motion. Okay, we will make an even pro. Oh, very nice. Well, this pro doesn't look like any flagship model. A little less function here. Anyway, I will make a separate video for the camera. Okay, let's turn it off. I like the screen. It is very nice. Do we have NFC here? Security, touch, power. NFC is present, so we can pay with this phone. That's very nice. Edge lightning and everything. Maybe front-facing camera. Let's test the front-facing camera. Front-facing camera. That is me. Hello, my friend. Recording with Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, let's go all the way to 4K, 16:9. There it is. Wide angle is available. Okay. It is pretty good. Not on video, only on photo. And live focus, of course, available, and it is working right now, like you can see. And it's tracking my face pretty good. Very, very nice first impression, especially the beautiful screen. No location, don't spy on me. God damn it. Now what kind of SIM card tray we have in this beast? Hybrid? No, the greatest one. As you can see, that's the best SIM card tray possible. You can have 2 SIM cards and SD card. No hybrid. That's how it's supposed to be in the flagship models. I have no idea why flagship models have a hybrid and this mid-range phone has a full. That's beyond me. Okay, so we are going now to McDonald's. You see the McDonald's there? Right there. To change the lens. It's pretty awful when you cannot do it on the fly. To pause the car. Oh, what's going on there? Haunting. There it is, Polish McDonald's. Let's eat something horrible. And this is what I've got for $3. Coffee. What is it? What's inside? Chips. So it look like. They taste pretty good. Hold on. Oh, look at this lady. And this piece of burger, I don't know what it is. It doesn't look great. It's a very dark meat. I don't know, man. Tastes like paper. And that's the exposure. Like you can see, the sky is white. It's supposed to be blue. I don't know what's going on with this camera. It's horrible. Look at it. Shit. It's the shit. What's the first impression with this phone? I have a mixed feelings about this phone. You see, it has a huge cutout for the camera. That's all right. Plastic bag. It's fine, it's even better because it's not slippery at all. But in the camera department, there is no stabilization. There is no optical stabilization. I don't see it. Where is it? It's shaky like I'm not swearing in this video. Mono speaker, so it's a good, but it's still mono, not stereo. In this price range, it should be stereo. Come on, 2020. Other than that, it's really good. But that was just an unboxing video, so I will make a proper review in a couple of days. I have to apologize for the audio and video quality with this. I have this horrible rig here, especially audio is. It's shit. I know. Sorry for that. I have to invest some money, which I don't have right now. So when I make some money, I will invest in the proper rig. So I'm very sorry. I apologize for the audio and video quality. Well, I don't know. It's mixed feelings. Let me proper test this phone, and I will break to you in a couple of days, maybe a week. Yeah, week will be good. So for now, oh, I forgot something. I will put the link in the description of this video, so you can compare Galaxy S10 photos with A71 photos with 2 folders, so you can compare original photos. You can download them, you can do whatever you want with them. It's free. Thanks for watching and goodbye.